In this video, I am going to teach you how to find your crypto wallet address on crypto.com. Whether you're receiving Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported coin, this is essential knowledge. Make sure you follow along so you don't miss any important detail. Let's get started. First, go to crypto.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the official app or website for security. Then click Deposit at the top right corner of the dashboard. This will bring up a list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit. Next, choose the crypto you want. For this video, I'll choose Bitcoin. This will take you to the specific deposit page for BTC. After that, select a network that's supported by the crypto you selected. Always confirm the network type with the sender to avoid losing funds. Finally, crypto.com will generate your wallet address automatically. You can either copy the address or scan the QR code for easy access. And that's how you find your crypto wallet address on crypto.com. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and clear crypto tutorials. See you next time!